beef tallow talaga is really amazing. It will definitely protect your skin. If you're looking for a natural and effective skincare solution, let me introduce you to Solaric Beef Tallow Day Cream. It's a luxurious moisturizer that's gaining attention for all the right reasons. It has natural ingredients you can trust. Solaric Beef Tallow Day Cream is made from 100% grass-fed beef tallow, jojoba oil, and beeswax to name a few. Unlike synthetic creams, it's free from parabens, artificial fragrances, and harmful additives. Ano bang benefits ng Solaric Beef Tallow Day Cream? It deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin, keeping it soft and supple all day. It also helps restore the skin barrier and lock in moisture. Perfect para sa mga dry or sensitive skin. This is why I really love Solaric Beef Tallow because it really has a very subtle scent that's really pleasant to the nose. Every time na nag-aalalagay ako nito, talagang mafe-feel mo na yung elasticity ng balat mo tumitibay. Yung skin barrier mas tumitibay. And it's safe. That's really what I love about Solaric Beef Tallow. It's 100% grass-fed and walang iniiwang white cast or hindi smudgy and hindi rin matapang yung amoy. Walang harmful chemicals na kasama. And it's a powerful day cream in one. Why would you do 5-step skincare if you can do just one? You better try this one. It's highly recommended and it's a craze. Beef tallow talaga is really amazing. It will definitely protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Kahit iniisip natin, 'di ba, na kulimlim, okay lang, or nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, pero nakatapat tayo sa mga gadgets, lalo na sa mga work from home. More than 8 hours tayo nakatapat sa laptop. Yung radiation pa din yan, nakakasira pa din ng balat. Pero if you're using something that to protect our skin, which is highly recommended Solaric Beef Tallow Day Cream, you can work in confidence, you can go out with confidence, and you can also use this as your base for your makeup. Ano pa hinihintay mo? Nandiyan dyan sa yellow basket. Try this. It's full of vitamins na talagang tutulong sa ating balat. Go ahead.